guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you my favorite salmon recipe with my secret dill seasoning sauce. It's delicious. Stay tuned. You must have grilled veggies on the side. Okay, seasoning time. Olive oil, a handful of minced garlic, Montreal steak seasoning, dill, too much dill seasoning. Time to fry on medium heat. Salmon time. Dump olive oil on there. Spread minced garlic. Sprinkle Montreal steak seasoning. Don't dump as much dill. Fry on medium heat. Time to get sauced. Equal parts mayonnaise and sour cream. 2 big scoops of each. Minced garlic. Parsley seasoning. Tiny spoonful of horseradish. Onion powder. Chili powder. Paprika. Italian seasoning. And lots, but not so much dill sauce. Then add a splash of lemon juice. Almost done. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, follow for more recipe videos.